kwatile, like ke tenegile. Jomi ba re tloela tlhe, ba re tloela like serious, ba re tloela serious. Ke tle go crash out mo, and ke bone le di comment tsa nyena ba le commenta negative mo, like everyone is doing that challenge where bone but they are not getting bashed just because we are wearing miniskirt and we're at Groove, we're getting bashed. How abangaki abantu abayenzayo eGroove? How ningangiyanyisi nje.
And Sam XT wherever you are.
And you know Sam XT.
Wherever you are.
Well, Sam XT at Twitter. Sam_x.t at Twitter.
Was
it's red. Uyena nje wathatha
isi video.
Nakho le video leya guys. Yes. Yeah. Unkwatisi like the video is okay. I don't care about the video. I care about the caption. And having a daughter is a curse. Who is a curse? Sutuma waki curse naye. Unyogu curse naye. Uma wake naye we curse. Cause what having a daughter is a curse. Uma wake na asi ntombazana. Like I'm just asking. I'm not being rude. I'm just asking. How? Like manje we are not supposed to dance ko Groove guys. Rinne mo fatshe rinne so e ka re furniture ya Groove. Re be ka re di furniture tsa ko Groove re sa bina. E ka re ke free. First thing first guys ne, that video was taken Kola Youth, was taken by these other girls ne. Okay fine, babonile ukuthi bathathe video, but ukuthi bayiposte we said no. Then the girl went on, I posted ko Facebook. I told the girl to remove the video. Remove her. So unfortunately it was already late already. As Sam owa Twitter. Nasithi I screen recordile. Now it's all over Twitter. Abantu bayayishare like guys. Ana. Ha. Abantu manje sebayayishare manje. Ama inbox ku WhatsApp. Abantu bayan DM. You are trending on Twitter. What's happening? Yo. And Nina. Wabona Nina ba le commentang snacks mo video nyaka e ke crashang out mo gone ke tlo go posta di profile pictures tsa Nina le nkitse sentle Nina a iso belompo la nkutlwalela azaka ka trenda ne but ya bona no so ditlo go mpona cause you guys decide to go low on the comments. I'm gonna go low again mina. If you go low on the comments, I'm gonna go lower. Ke tlo save the profile pictures tsa Nina lohle ba le commentang negative commentang ke go di save lohle ke tlo change profile picture every day. I link kids. And yes, we're not doing anything wrong. We're just exactly. I was just how
TikTok.
Guys,
how your daughter is a curse.
Having a daughter is a curse. Mabito, you can just check on my For You page. I posted everything. Like guys, I was just dancing to a video. How? Manje, having a daughter is a curse. Curse where? Then they can how? They be like, who? They are not well raised. Were you there? mabangkhulisa
uthi kuma-comment babhizi bajayivela abantu abadala uyena umuntu omdala ufuna negroove.
like umuntu omdala ufuna negroove igroove kanti
Igroove yethu.
aseyama-2K like
Ufunani? Kuthiwa thina sidayisela amaguju abantu abadala. Sishekela abantu abadala.
singadayisela
Sibasuka
amantombazane
ngani?
like sibasuka ngani guys and sifa sibengenile besinemali
Sinama-type.
futhi basihostile le ela youth basinika utshwala for free so
Sinama-type thina.
singafuna utshwala
Besiphuza musa iyekamasela namathakila.
besiphuza
La asikaze sathengelwa indoda. Ayikho indoda esike.
thengelile yeka master namathakila la besiwaphuza asindoda nama-blow job la besiwaphuza laphaya asindoda sa-contributa nje shike hawu ibhotlela yona basinike yona ela youth ama-shots nani nani sa-contributa hawu bayanyanyisa yazi bengithi ngiyathula ama-blow job siyothengele wona sisithengele
Namathakila.
ama-blow job sisithengele wona re di rekile di-blow job you all get blessed by men be honest like ke blessiwa ke monna o feng a ke na le di-Gucci slide a ke na le frontally a ke na le makeup set a ke na yone
Uthi wabusila basasinikisiwe bless.
a ke na le apartment a ke na le koloi la re ke na le blessa e feng ke blessiwa ke monna o feng like what do you mean ke a bless monna o feng guys a ke na di-Gucci slides I don't owe anything ya label a ke na anything ya label le dibeke tsaka ke tsa Shein Mr Price Shein a ke na le kwekwe ya Steve Madden every single heel ya Steve Madden single back ya Steve Madden a ke na le Luella A1 a ke na le Luella ke na le frontal A1 le gone e tsamamo ya 10 inch nje shik so ba blessa kae if ba blesse kae tšhelete teng rona a re bone tšhelete a re bone nje shit ikhona iphi cause kumele kube namasayini akuna ngisho ne-frontal ngiyi-student ngiyachina ngemali yami ye-NSFAS yo ngikhulumisa abantu kakhulu and ngizokubhlokha mina ungangitsheli kabi so like how guys like lona like banna ba ntena hle banna ba nagana gore re tlhoka bone mo bophelong like ha re le tlhoke tle banna ha re le tlhoke re kgona go itirela diplane ha re le tlhoke serious ha re le tlhoke like ibile ke heletswe ke mahoko tle mara se ba botlhe batho mara the way ba commenta ka bone wa bona gore banna e ka re ba share mentality e kana mentality ya banna ba bangwe e kana nyana mentality ya bone ha o itse go iragalang go shota eng like ke nka nyena hle le jwa ke eng le kotua ke eng se se le kotang le kotua ke eng how o ipotsa gore motho o kotua ke eng wa o sa focus mo life ya gago tswe mo gore batho ne ba bina sign butch challenge ko tlapong o kena kae kanti sign butch challenge ha e biniwe le ene the owner of the challenge we been everywhere lo rata batho ba ba kotsi wena o sa tla go mphaphela wena Mbombela o sa tla go mphaphela ke tla go attack no and it's always ba di-follower tse dinnyane ba ke bone ba sa beng le di-profile picture tsa bone because they're so insecure about themselves so they come here to break our esteem how you want to lower my esteem you can never baba le gona the way wena o leng insecure ka teng ha wa ba le profile picture sis o tlo go lo rata batho ba ba kotsi sa mphaphela sa mphaphela ke tla crasha out mo wena no so ke tla attack wena sa mphaphela ha ke tse o tlhotlhonywa ke eng o longwa ke eng o kotua ke eng ko teng koa how le gona ke tsene o kwatetseng cause a ke buile ka ene how ha ke buile ka ene mara motho wa teng o busy o tla o commenta sebunu o commenta sebunu sisu sa batla go ntloela o sika tla go ntloela o tlo go kotana sis o ntse ya ka o ntse yalo sis you don't stand a chance o sa tla go mbora how to o mo ntloga for that bontle bo tla hela gompieno bontle bo tla hela batho ba tina hle batho ba tina batho ba tina ba tina batho ba tina motho a iponela a re poster e re ke mo block wa ntina o cause a kitse o nagana wa tshegisa or something o nagana wa tshegisa or something yo ga go khamege down a go khamege down cause ke di comment le busy la mpotsa guys tsamaya le go sheba for YP ga teng FYP yaka tsamaya le go e sheba I just arrive what's going on process motho o decide le go tsaya video yaka le nomthandazo really without our consent poster go Twitter like Twitter and wa itse gore batho ba Twitter ba na le mentality o snacks ga ba tshwane le ba TikTok ba na le mentality ga ke itse keng like wa bona go TikTok wa ke go tletse like sorry to attack them but wa bona go TikTok ke batho ba bagolo ba mo ma 90 something bo ma 98 bo ma 1970 something so ba attack bana ba busy ba attack bana ba diga self esteem ya bana yo I thought you were the church girl. I've never given you a title ya gore ke church girl. I've never. Azanka ka fa motho title ya gore na ke church girl. I've never. So gore wena o nagane yalo o assume gore na ke church girl. Wena hela how? Lapho I saw it there first, bashing out what girls. Banyana ba varsity ba iraini. Ba iraini. We have to report it. Please go and report that account. Kiss Sam underscore x dot t Sam underscore x dot t cause why are you posting it? Like the video, like guys, now I don't care about the video ne cause like we're doing a dance challenge, a well-known one na corner. So I don't care about the video. I care about the caption. I care about the caption Ati having a daughter. Having a daughter is a curse. Like when I red dress, I can nal like re bile di case yang rona banyana like banna ne ha ba beat di allegation no re bua ka GBV yena no o etsang wa theka banyana still le gone a ga mo etsa next how ha re mo itse le go mo itse guys mothole ere ke type ha re mo itse le go mo itse motho ole ha re mo itse ere ke typing ha re mo itse like we don't even know that person ha re mo itse gore o re phapheliswa ke eng I also don't know o comment kae mo TikTok ke le ebile a ke sa tlhole ke itse le go dirisa TikTok ke lebetse go comment-wa kae someone I type it, I'm gonna pin it. It's Sam underscore x dot t Sam underscore x dot t besisijayivela chomiyazi we're so fucked up besi drunk let me pin your comment how guys a ke kgone le ho pina comment like how do you do this how do you pin a comment kopela lo mo report cause wa re tloela hle yo I'm worried about the caption. I don't care about the video. I'm worried about the caption. Now, press the comment heart. Ke pressile chomi. Ish. A ke tse o phina yang. E ko X fela video e thomile e le ko Facebook chomi ne. Then ka botsa girl o I post link please delete take down that video cause ke ene naitsa the time re le ko la youth. Please take down that video. Okay, the girl took it down ne. Kanti already setse ba screen recordile. By poste where's the video? It's on my for you page. Kanti already setse ba screen recordile ba ile kae go Twitter. Ke bona ko Twitter re sendelwa di link gore he la trenda ko Twitter. Yo
la trenda go
Twitter. That girl needs to be arrested. And you know we see that girl Lina umborile and haramu khupela hle. Just that we're sitting next to their table. Our table was next to hers. I reposted without our permission. Ke batlo mo botsa gore re a police station a ke tse o tlo fila yang cause ke na le account ya ha ya Facebook ke na le conversation and re have ke na le proof le Sam o wa teng o ke mo sendetse inbox le chomi ka am sendela inbox re mo khopela gore a delete video yo
Tula.
yeah ngwanana o kena a irileng go video e trende banana a ba ratane guys banana a ba ratane ko the time I tsa ko light be ka re no re sharp he it's okay he ra dance go tse re trenda ke tsoga ke trenda ko Facebook ka motse ke re chomi delete video eo o nthare baby girl ke re baby girl wine ke go delete video sa ntla mpotsa gore like I don't give a fuck ne. The only fuck I give ke di comment tsa batho ba commentan snacks gore why ba commenta snacks ke le batla one by one ke le batla one by one. Same, I don't see anything. Ke batla mmotsa gore ke lo mo reporter for cyberbullying na cause we postelang video el next time ke e trende. Like guys, I've never posted my video mo TikTok ke ketsa Sandboot challenge. La itse le lena azanka. If ke postile ke postile ke lo save then ke delete azanka ka ba le Sandboot challenge on my for you page. Then motho o mongwe o tlo e posta ko Facebook. E elevate e le ko Twitter. Black app. X app. Twitter.
Website.
Yo. Yeah, if I wanted to trend, I was gonna post it myself. If I wanted to trend, I was gonna post it myself. Look on I post on Twitter. Hi guys, Twitter is worst. Yes, chomi hakuna next. Ireke bone mfanaka. Checka mo for you page yaka or check the comment so ke mentionile motho wa teng. Username ya teng. Sam_x.t. Yeah. I've not seen the video. Check it. It don't go Twitter, guys. Video la yeah trend for sure. No, it will reach a million. The way for con. Kanti, what did the caption says? It says having a child, having a daughter is a curse.
What is this?
Basically, what is this? What is this? Arena this. Like Harry this urana.
That's what this is.
Yeah, no, na this. Harry this urana bakhetho. O ko lung tlhalosetseng ha gore Harry this urana. All his posts about women. And it says a lot about him. It says a lot about him. Sengifuna ukubona i-girlfriend yakhe nje mina ukuthi ungajola nendoda eshema amantombazane
because ipage ngamantombazane
ipage yakhe ngamantombazane like akana any content what he said ukuthi ngizothatha uRithabi like guys I've never trended ka dilo tse di snacks sihle wena kon trendisa I bua in a bad way video haina next video like I sent two snacks on the video ma the caption high is snacks insulting, very insulting. It's very insulting. And it's so sad. Irwa ke monna.
Yeah.
Oh. Irwa ke monna. The girl knows something, I'm telling you. Nami, I'm telling you, I'm Lin Nakise. Cause ute, sorry, I'm sorry, babes, I don't have Twitter. Mangimtshela ukuthi akahamba ayotshela usemayikhipha uthi sorry babes I don't have Twitter. Amantombazane ayazondana guys. Lapho thina ritsere skasa haimo and agas poster that girl. Ritsere skasa haimo and agas poster. Hagas poster. Iriki didimali. Ritsere skasa haimo. Sa haimo. Aramo poster. Ungantshela ukuthi ayikho bad, stressless. Ngistresswa ukuthi ise Twitter. Uyabona if beyila eTikTok anginandaba. Ngistresswa ukuthi ise Twitter and ayipostwanga yimi. Why mina bengayiposti? Why bengapostu yimi? Angipostanga because bengafuna ukutrend. If bengifuna ukutrenda ngabe kade ngiyipostile. Nginama followers amaningi gabi ukuthi ngayiposta and itrend. Nginama followers amaningi gabi if bengifuna ukutrenda ngale video ngabe ngiyiposti bengafuni and if bengifuna ukutrenda ngeSunbuchi challenge ngabe ngiyenzile manje bengafuni. I don't know why girls hate each other though. I don't know why, and especially Tina we're getting best is here ke mo rese re dilana le di haters mo rese he ba sa re ra rekisa just because ra para dilo tse dikhutshwane like guys re difebe. Like, guys, just because renali body is nice doesn't mean gore ra rekisa. Body au re filo ke batsadi ba rena. Re filo ke yo, I'm even crying. Yo. It's about take like already re dila le batho already re dila le re face these things more ne and some more ha re di entertain now ile ko silong just because re phela gape re dotse dikhutshwane kanti designer mini skirt ne designer lang go re sa di reka re sa di apara
designer ba
o designer mang if I designer di tshotse dikhutshwane just because more mo no so ba re classify as defebe because of re phela gape re di apara tse dikhutshwane like. And it's not that deep, guys. It's not that deep. Like, kuyashisa, it's summer. Kuyashisa, it's spring. Kuyashisa.
And it's not like I'm your future wife, miss.
How? It's still there. I'm still, like, guys, I'm 21 years old. I'm 21 years old. I'm still enjoying my youth. Oh, but like, redila leka di allegations tsa Moresi, and I don't care about basimane ba Moresi. Ba bitsa gore if you're not getting best is they be like ke di febe but I'm ali di bless and I kitse ba bua ka di bless tse feng cause guys I can ali Gucci slide I kitse le di hotel I kitse di white sheets nna so I kitse ba bua kang heba sa bui just because the body tsa ona di nice and hera pere di tse di khutsane vele it's attractive manje ba ka re rekisa eng so re sa para di aparo tse di khutsane just because re na le di body tse di nice.
Yo, nice.
Shuthi sifela lokho. Ungabuyikhaleli into yomunye umuntu because it has its own disadvantages. Ungabuyikhaleli. Like guys, if not dead, they be like, hi, it's not like wena umuhle, usizwa ibody. Like guys, sinenzeni. Sinenzeni
guys.
Bawo sinenzeni. It's not like you are pretty. Usizwa ibody wena usizwa yini
because nokudla kukho
awuna buhle ibody ayikho ehle usizwa yini wena usizwa yini like it's like yo re dila ka dilo tse o Moresi re dila ka tsone already mo res re dila ka tsone. No ke tlo dila ka tsone even on the internet. Like guys, ke eng ka lena like le batlang nna ke apere di baggy clothes. Now I'm not that person. A ke motho le di baggy clothes mina ke di rate. Ha mpona ke apere baggy clothes soka ke phapha ke apere nje for just in jail for fun. Mara a ke rate di baggy clothes. A ke rate di baggy clothes. That's why ke sena le jean. A ke na le a jean A1. Like jean e telle no. Ke na le di shorts tsa di jean, ke na le di skirt tsa di jean, ke na le mara jean e full e telle. Yo, I'm so mad. I bile nka se kgone le bua English. Wena steady emanyana ka English. Nka se kgone bua English. Ke kwatile so. Yeah. Same Obakeng, I don't understand why are they hating on me. Like I don't really understand. And I know that I'm not trending in a bad way. Just that the caption. You don't need to I won't change myself for them. Mina, one thing about me, I want how yo guys ini. Melo muntu azelana kwi social media azo explainer ukuthi yo ha guys niyasihetha izinto zenu niyasihetha like amagama wenu abuhlungu sham niyasihetha just because a girl unomzimba omuhle is either nithi uyathengisa is either nithi ufune attention yabafana like ke mangakanya kang attention yabasimane ka 2025 like guys mina I have 4 siblings. So I need to focus mo sekolong gore ke kgone go ba provide ka everything e ba nyakang. I have 4 siblings. Just that ke tsere break ka ya groove. Kuthi social media once and le gone yo yo le tlwaela batho se bonotlhe yo yo yes batho ba tina hle like batho ba tina. Okay sharp o re video ko groove re bina o e postelang o e postelang o sa khopela gore babes can I post or even I re khopetse ko la use are babes ke khopela ka osane ke poste video ya lone e seng ka osane o tsoga o ipona ko Facebook ha o santsane o re kopa o ntshe ko Facebook o ipona ko Twitter
Nne ngisipesa ngipost iska cause angiyazi ukuthi angijwayele ukuthi ngihambe ngipost umuntu engakhulumanga naye.
yena simthathi iska sakhe asimpostang cause bebazothi why yo
Iska sakhe ngisposta Facebook yazi babazi.
exactly uposta kanjani abantu ongabazi
Lo muntu akasazi angimazi.
guys if ke a mo tshwarisa like ke a ko police station ke ba bontsha Facebook handle or ke ra yang
Ngamsuwa shini.
yo plus ibile ke broke in December o mo le ko Twitter ya trend exactly ya trenda ko Twitter cause ara kopa gore a re tse video tle that girl ha ra mo khupela and what's part ke gore di tshobitse ha ile tsone di tsere video mara di tshobitse ha a ya post yena na postelang o iponele gore oh na ke ba tshabi na ke tshabi next ke tla poster cause di tshobitse ha di tsere di video mara yo go a re here ya groove rona re be di furniture re sa bina re be furniture ke nne ka re so e ka re ke fridge ke emele someone atlo ke emele someone atlo mbula ke fridge ke nne sofa ko ya ko groove guys no ko groove go a biniwa and le sa tla go re filisa bad because of ne re bina ko groove le sa tla go re filisa bad and most ya di-comment tse di ikelang kwa ke ma 1K. Ga ke tse wa ma 1K ba sa sale ko Twitter ya bone ba tlogele bana mo TikTok, ba re tlogele mo TikTok. And nama mapodisa a Sunny Side ang rata too much, cause I'm always there ka di-case and ba phela ba ntse ya serious. Ke tla tlhona ke ya teng ko Sunny Side, ba ntse ya serious tota mapodisa a Sunny Side, ke tla ya no so. And people don't understand ukuthi ku-Egroove siya-enjoy, like ukhipha i-stress sesikolo, ukhipha yonke into, ukhohlwa ngayo yonke into eGroove, ukhohlwa everything eGroove. Yo chom o serious, ke serious, ke tlo ba fa handle maphodisa a Sunny Side a ntse ya serious. Nna always ba phela ba nthusa ka di-case tsaka, cause last year there was this other boy mo racing na assaultile chom yaka, then chom yaka na lahlile phone ya hae, then assaulta, and like my friend was so drunk, then o bua highly busy mo tseleng a buela res, that guy o tse advantage gore o drunk, then o ya mo spank wa mo tshwara ka o sa di ke mo attack mosimane ole o ya police station, o ile o botsa maphodisa gore nna ke a mo attack ebile ke a mo threatenisha gore ke tlo mo tshwarisa, stuff like that. Ke botsa maphodisa ke mo botseng gore o editseng, I think you should stop wearing miniskirt because they're hating. Asoze khotha bafana bami, asoze ngeke nje umama wami akanankinga ukuthi mina ngifake izinto ezincane, wena ubani ukuthi uzobe nenkinga. Asoze guys, asoze ngisazozifaka futhi ngisazofaka ela lezi zaka Uncle Waffles, ngifuna zona zaka Tyler, ngifuna lezi zaka Tyler. Never, I'm never gonna change myself for someone wa mo social media. I'm never. Ke batla tsetsa bo Tyler tsone. How banana bana le pelo tse di snacks tle, o ikutlwa yang o le ngwanana o mong o isa ngwanana o mong? How do you feel? And now I'm a girl's girl, guys. I'm a girl's girl. I've never attacked any girl mo TikTok. Leba trenda le di-influencer tsa lena ha di trenda, ha nke ke tsena sepe, ha nke ke commenta sepe tlhola ke itidimaletse, because why? Ha ke batle drama, ha ke batle gore le nna ha ke trenda be ba nkira dilo tlhola ke itidimaletse, tlhola go trendiwa, tlhola le bua snacks ka banyana, tlhola le ira dilo tsotlhe, ke itidimaletse ke sa bue sepe. So no le tla go mposta la ntloela street, ke tla le bontsha sentse se go ballang ko ntle. And nina ba le commentang masepa mo video nyaka, ba le commentang masepa mo video nyaka, le commenta gore he o ya laega o dom, gona lo mong so ke le albino o commentile a re ke dom. Ha ke batle go mo attack, ha ke batle go bua thata, cause ke a itse go TikTok di tlile go unfollow once ka mo attack. Marilene anthomileng, so ha nkitla ke mo attack o ene ke mo beela modimo, cause he's very unique in his own way and I can use that, but I don't want to, cause ke mo beela modimo o ene ke mo beela modimo, cause o bile o commentile a re ba kulaile o dom. Ke batla go posta profile picture gagwe ha yena ba kulaile o dom. After this live ke posta profile picture gagwe ha a ke go batla di-likes, o batla di-follower ka nna, o batla di-profile views ka nna, so ke tla mo ba teng ha. Ke siame mo go masho guys, ke siame, like ha nke be ke attack-a ope, ha nke be ke attack-a ope gore nyena le tlo go attack-a mo di-commenting. No babes, yena angifuni ukumu attack because of I think ngiyanicabangela abanye cause asiyini nonke, so ngizothatha isithombe sakhe ngisibheke la. Ngizothatha isithombe sakhe ngisibheke la. Cause what the heck? I love your heart, Shem. Thank you. Like guys, cause what the heck? Mina ngicabangela umuntu. Ungandelela mina ema-commentini, but mangibona ukuthi you are unique in your own way, angeke ngikudelele back cause I know abantu. Guys, umuntu ngabantu, cabanga sengiyama-attack-a. cabanga sengiyam-attack-a nizo-unfollow-a cause why ngimu-attack-ile because why he's unique in his own way akere. Imagine a re wena o dom a re nna ke dom so ke batla go lebeela profile picture gagwe mo cause o batla di-likes o batla di-follower o batla di-profile views so ke tlo mo poster ke tlo poster profile picture hae ke tlo e update ha ke tsebe ke ede purple na. Yeah, my nails. Yo guys, ke tlo mo eda ke tlo mo ira purple ke tlo mo ira purple ka mo poster cause o busy wa commenta. Ke tlo tseya wa bona ngwanyana ole and o na le 19k followers ko Facebook. Wait, let me check her Facebook name ke a bua 2 minutes. Mshengu ko Facebook ke ene motho wa ntlha wa go posta that video o apere orange mo profile picture ya gagwe. From where's your hometown? Ko ganesa ke Fairness Mshengu Fairness Mshengu ko Facebook. She's the first person to post that video. She is the first person to post that video. And I'm blaming her for ukuthi ya trenda manje. Ke blame ene. Cause ke ene wa ntlha wa go posta and she's the one who took the video. Where's party gay? And haramo khopela. Like re na le di-iPhone ba bohle. All my friend groups ba na le iPhone. Tshome ko tsama ka iPhone 11 ke tsama ka iPhone 11. So re na le di-iPhone. Ne re kgona go itse ne re kgona go ishutela. Fairness Mshengu ke ene ko Facebook. Fairness Mshengu ke ene motho wa ntlha wa go posta video ewa. Ke ene motho wa ntlha wa go posta no yana ya trenda e ko Twitter. Like a whole Twitter guys. Twitter po. Twitter. Yo. Ay. Twitter e ka re ba promoter porn.
Uzosivelela ama-channel thina abanye sinabaphathe
How? Isidima sethu. Isidima sethu.
Bona motho wa hae o wa ska.
Ha. Like guys, I don't understand because there's nothing wrong ka video ela cause ne retsa sign bushi. Gore motho a itseye ko Facebook, I poste ko Twitter, a caption gore having a daughter is a curse. What do you mean having a daughter is a curse? What about your mother?
Which means your mother is also a curse.
What about your mother? Video effing re lost it. Check on my profile. Check my profile. Check on my account. The first video. There's nothing about the video. The caption. The caption. Yo. Yazi ngadeleleka but she ate. Yo. Lapha angibenzanga lutho guys. Angibazi nokubazi. Like I don't know those girls. Like I don't even know those girls. I don't even know them. Akibatsibe. Ga ke ba itse tle. We just met there ko groove. O ka tlhoya motho sa mo itse. O ka tlhoya motho sa mo itse.
Right.
O sa lebala nka se lebala wena police station ya Sunnyside emo 10 ebile ke 5 minutes away. 5 minutes away emo. Police station ya Sunnyside. What's on the caption? Having a daughter is a curse. That's the caption. What's same we postile are having a daughter. But after that, why add are what is this? Are not this. Harry this uranna. Like guys, Harry, what is this? Uranna this. Hafeta the comment editor, not raising your child well is a curse. What, having a ma 1K le batlang tlha mo ma 2K. A ke rena kwa nyane hitile ya bo Brenda Fassie kwa le lo binela bo Brenda Fassie le binela bo Khanimba bo Tomyam harali disturb mos ya no ke nako tsa gona go re binele bo Sign Buchi wa le tla go commenta so le bile re ga godiswa sentle ne le batla re godiswa yang ne le batla re godiswa yang bukene o wa 2 piece e orange wa rasa se molomo wa gago o le wena rasa o tlo go monate yang ga se molomo wa gago ke wa ka o rasa ha ile gore molomo ke wa gago o tsewe go nna ka one go ganyena sa tla go ntloela le wena ha ile gore molomo ke wa gago o tle go tsa o go nna le one go ganyena kwa o tse go nna le one go ganyena this is a valid crash out, very valid. Ese mangena fairness mkhating mshengu why wo ungena phi ukuthi why wo mshengu ya like yo uyancasula umuntu nanye ancasula nje antina like yo mangana ona yo yes
Hi Rita.
hello babes
Ngiyambona lo sisi lo and I think ngiyamazi mangimbheke ethombeni. I
uyamazi
think yeah, i-influencer.
uhlala u-influencer ukhona la ku TikTok
Yeah, ukhona la ku TikTok ngizokubhekela igama lakhe.
ngiyacela ungibhekele lona cause lento eyenza live
Cause yabona ngibona kwami I think uye like wenza ukuthi video trend cause if yena bekangayipostanga lo video bengeke izi trend.
Thomi bengeke ngabi
Uyiposta kanjani video abantu ongabazi angeke ukuthi ungithandile waye ungangibuzi ukuthi ngingayiposta na.
and uye wayithatha ivideo on top of that
Uyiposta nanoma ngabe uyithathile Rita video uyiposta kanjani angakwazi.
yeah
She's not even your friend but uposta kanjani video without my consent.
how and uyabona ukuthi epage nami ayikho i-sign which as I've never done it
Nanoma ngabe boyenzile Rita you don't have a right to post video yami ungangitshelanga cause yimo velayo ku video it's not you. Yimo velayo ku video. So njengoba itrenda so yena ujabulile. Yena kanabantwana ukucabanga ukuthi angeke azala nabantwana abakubo what if lo nto yenza kubantwaneni bakubo.
and into engicasula ukuthi ngiyamtshela ukuthi babes tshela uSam ukuthi I delete uthi I'm sorry babes I don't have Twitter like
I don't have Twitter waze lapho ukuthi leyo video circulator ku Twitter.
yo
Oh, she needs to pay for it. You need to do something.
how yo
Amantombazana athanda ukuzondelana
into engekho for umzimba nje yo
Yeah, I think that's isuka lapha indaba. Ubone kahle ukuthi ya amantombazana they age so I need to post it. Uyangimangaza cause nakuleyo video it's not like kuvela abobaba lapho or maybe ngihleli nabafana or kubhema ama oka pipe kuvela nina namantombazana semuva ayajive musi now.
and besize nalamantombazana
Nalamantombazana ayajive emuva musi so angazi ukuthi inzondo iphumaphi like amantombazana azondana hle.
yo
Sizondana singazani. Uyiposta kanjani video yami ungangazi.
yo
Nanoma ngingacela ukushutwa uwe ngisendela ithombe zami ungangiposti unless I say it or ungicele. You don't have a right ukuthi upost ama video.
akacelanga
You need to do something. You need to do something serious.
yo ngifuna i-account yakhe la i-TikTok yo
Ngizokubhekela i-account yakhe then mangithola ngizokusendela inbox.
ngiyabonga Uzosichazela.
She needs to pay for it serious. Asile amantombazane.
Asile kahle.
Uyijwayele shuthi kuyenza lento le akayiqali. Uyi-influencer but udumisa abanye abantwana kabi.
Hawu.
Yes,
And
ivideo
ngithola ukuthi
ayinankinga but ama-caption phela i-caption yayimosha ivideo yomuntu.
Ngisolo ukuthi une isandla la ukuthi e-Twitter because all of a sudden itrenda e-Twitter mangicela ukuthi ayidelete all.
Yena uqeda ukuyidelete ku-Facebook seyitrenda ku-Twitter kanjani?
Kanjani?
It can't happen like that. Ayenzeki nje kanjalo. Uzochaza, kumele achaze.
Yo.
Manje uku-owisha ama-answer amaningi kabi nomngane wakho uyani-owisha ama-answer.
Uyasi-owisha and thina
You need to do something.
sibathatha ama-video
She can't get away with it.
Hawu. Yo. Uyangijwayela like ungikwatisile and abantu kuma-comment aba-understand ukuthi ngikwate kanjani ba-commenta idoti.
Aba-understand, ngiyabona shem nami. Ngiyabona ukuthi aba-understand. Ngiyabona nami.
Yo.
Phela kubuhlungu ukutrend uyibone ukuthi nalento engiyithrendelayo ayikho wrong but then fact ukuthi i-caption yayimosha ivideo yami. Abantu abasakhomentela ivideo ba-reply ku-caption. Leya ephezulu.
Having a daughter is a curse. Like naye usemushime amantombazane kahle kahle ipage yakhe ye-Twitter.
Ubaba kabani?
Amantombazane wodwa angatholi ngisho indodana eyodwa.
Ubaba kabani? Why kumele azenze kanje? Uduma ngaba okay mawufuna ifame do i-content. Mawungakhona cela bakusiza ama-content creator. Ungadumi ngabanye abantwana. Uduma ngabanye abantwana ukuthi uzothola ama-followers. Mawungahola uhola.
Angimazi nokumazi. Yo.
Ngoba engazathi mdala nanokuba mdala nje.
Isigogwana nje.
Hawu. Ngiyambona nje ukuthi mdala nanokuba mdala lo muntu lo.
Isigogwana. Uzibuza ukuthi ama-1K bafunani eGroove? Bafunani?
Nakhona akayazi sayinibutch yena. Makayithanda wayangajoyina iyenze uma akafuna ukufitha afuna ukufana nani wayangacela ngamanambeni.
Why if afuna ukuyiposta wayangenze yakhe asitrendise yena hayi ukuthi
atrendise yena.
Because if le video bengifuna ukuthi itrende ngabe mina kade ngayiposta mos.
Hayi wena Jonathan mawufike late ungazoba rude la. This girl is boring yani. Oqala umbukele nina you trying to be rude womi mntwana animazi nokumazi.
Okuqala uyamfollowa.
Hayi uyobona.
Uyamfollowa nokumfollowa ujo hleze ala uyamfollowa nokumfollowa. And umfana on top of that sis.
Abafana bayanyanyisa oqala ama profile picker people nje nxa yena.
How?
Inxa yabafana. Sebazokhomenta udodi baziveza ke.
Baziveza lezi nja lezi mgodoyi.
Yeah, uyabonakala wena Jonathan usahamba kubo 1 something followers. That's why so.
That's why I saw.
Bapha kanjani ke lapho?
That's why I saw ukufollowa nabantu abaningi. Cabanga ama-followers wakhe a-1.9 ayifollow yakhe ithi 1.3. The way kodwa uyabona ukuthi we thanda i-attention lo.
Mara you must do something shem ungayeki so. You must do something. And don't try to expose her. Maybe ukhiphe ithome zakhe ungayenzi next. uNkulunkulu aboTlevu uyazilungisela. In a nice and simple way uyazilungisela uNkulunkulu aboTlevu. Angithi yena ufunile ukuduma, yena uzofuna ukuphantsha ke. As much as influencer kanje uzophantsha. And surely njengoba ivideo ithenda so uyazisola. Ukuthi ngenzeni uyazisola. Cause omunye umuntu ngabe sekazibulala nokuzibulala ivideo lokho ingekho wrong.
Because of i-caption nje. Wena Donatin uthi awukho influencer manje ufuna nendabeni zama influencer. If you are not an influencer ufunani? Uzokublocker now uyanyanyisa.
Majozi, there's nothing wrong ngevideo. We're talking about the caption. Ngathi caption aniyazi uthini.
caption iri kanti iri having a daughter is a curse. Having a daughter is a curse. Bese ari, what is this? Hari this uranna guys.
What is this uchaza ukuthini?
Ufuna ukuthini mathi what is this? Usho abobani
Amanga.
mathi?
Bakhalelisa amabhodi banamanga.
Wayikhalela
Hayi
shem.
bakhalelisa amabhodi. Maybe unabantwana abayi-3. Unabantwana abayi-3. Uyawisho ukuthi ngekhathi zami kube nami bengiso. Mara unfortunately.
Trending isn't bad though. You are being promoted. Promoted by who? Ke batlo i-promote nna. Ha ke batlo promote ke bo fairness. Ke batlo i-promote. A ke re ka kgona i-promote ke na le di-social media platform. Ke na le Instagram, ke na le Facebook, ke na le TikTok for a reason. Not gore ke trendiswe ke motho o mongwe.
It's sad because abantu abakhuluma uDoda abafana. Yazi abafana ingqondo zabo zincane kanjani.
That's why sibalwela nge-21st so silwa for bona. Yes sis. Mina ngifuna isibhamu ngidubulele lezi nja zonke. Abafuna basilwe. Yeah. Zisile lezi nja lezi. Any post umfana on top of that le video. Lapho bafuna abadefendwe. Lapho siphephula ngenxa yabo. Kodwa uyahamba wayopost ivideo yamantombazana. On top of that abashame nge-caption. Kwi-video engekho wrong nje. Yena wabona ukuthi ngizofaka i-caption e-wrong ukuthi ibe ngazathi i-video i-wrong.
Ufuna fame.
And angazi because already bayasaya nama-follower.
Na ku-Facebook mosu una 20k followers but then akanama likes makuzibiza nge-influencer.
How? Yo. Abanye
Sazi ama-influencer thina, hayi ama-influencer okufosta bafuna ukuduma ngabanye abantwana.
How?
Mara nje mawuyintombazane kumele wazi ukuthi into yenza kabi kwenye intombazane mayibuya kuyibuya times 2. Times 2.
Akazi uzothanda kabuhlungu and suka ngihleka.
Izobuya times 2 wena Rethabile because of I think it was last week bebalwa nosisi wami. A group of girls bamshaya bamenza ivideo. So ngiyayibona le video hayi man ngiyabona ukuthi hayi man this is my sister mos. Bangasamshaya akabuyiseli nokubuyisela. And then my mother uthi sibayeke ngithi no angeke. Sibayeke kanjani angeke.
Like ubayeka kanjani? Guys, whoever
Ngishayelana.
kwenzakalani ngicela uhambe ku-profile yami ucheck ama-video uzobona. She removed it on Facebook. Yes, she did because I told her to do that. But already, nibasithi ba-screen recordile. No, iko Twitter. Black app, guys. Black app. Yo. Nayithi black app.
Unamanga, she knows what she was doing. Maruk Salas. Kama ikhona shem.
uNkulunkulu uzodila naye.
uNkulunkulu abotleve yazilungisela.
Ufuna amlungu. Uyibuza ukuthi for ini. Masuposte enye intombazane for ini. Uthi kimi I thought you didn't have a problem. Kiri unahana byang.
Hawunsebile untsiba mara ubatla umposta. Hawuntsibi mos. Ubatla umposta jwang usantsiba hawuntsibi. Hawuntsibi ka posta nkani na usantsiba. Haba ubutsa kumang otla kumang.
Utla ke kopanile ne kola youth then ka mo posta.
Ka mo posta. Ayiyo ntwe watsibo why ayithi ntwe.
Yo.
Una borele. Ubatla ukhuphula followers kalula. Waphapha she.
Waphapha shem. Cause no if ngaba sayiposta ngabe resimo no. Ngabe
I
resimo.
the hate we giving each other as girls shame is real. Manje it's real.
And sizobulalana esamantombazane. That's why abafana bangasirati so. Bayabona ukuthi sina
Sizondana sodwa mos. Wase use ukuthi bona basithande singathandani sina singamantombazane.
yo.
Asithandani mos nathi. Wase kumele bona basithande thina singathandani.
Yo.
Mara nje lo girl.
Wayibaka. Taba wayeza yazi. Wayira taba shem.
Uzophanja shem.
Mbekela uNkulunkulu nje.
And she must stop doing that because uzothola umuntu wrong one day. Obelivela ku-revenge. Ayenze leyo nto amloye ey'thombeni. Abukela ney'thombe zakhe so amloye from kude. Le.
Cabanga thina sathatha ama-video ama-picture wakhe sayenza i-AI la samphosta uzojabula.
Kuzoba buhlungu phela ngithi uzobe seyenzeka kuye. Izoba buhlungu phela.
But I'm gonna be the bigger person like I always do. To avoid i-drama, I'm gonna be the bigger person. Ngizomyeka. Ngimnika uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu uzodila naye ngendlela zakhe.
Othanda njengama 2 minutes noodles. Awuyebe right.
And angazi. And mina asizange la sikhipha indaba zabo ukuthi bathengele utshwala amadoda leli bahambile bayosithengisa le bahleli laphaya. Asikhiphanga lezo ndaba sithulile nje shi.
Mara yena uyokhiphana nama-video. Ukuthi yini into wrong nge-video, angi-understand. I'm failing to understand, Shem.
Nami I'm failing to understand because it's a challenge. Like if you go on TikTok under the sound, uzobona amantombazana amaningi bayenzile le challenge. It's known.
Including umnikazi we-dance uyagqoka because akagqoki uSain Butch. Ku-Grace Mondlane ephathini yakhe ye-end. Yini lento kade ayigqokile?
Exactly.
Sekumele simshutele lo nto simtrendise for in.
How?
Nanoma ngingashuta ngingagqokanga ngiyathanda awungeni ndawo wena. Ivideo yami. Uxakwa yini?
Angisho umzimba wami ngiyawu-expose if ngiyawu-expose owami ungenaphi?
Ngiwu-expose angazi ukuthi vele ngifuna ini. As long ngase yakho awungeni ndawo wena lapho.
Hawu. Abantu bayanyanyisa uzothola ukuthi uma wakho akanankinga ukuthi ugqokani akanankinga and uma
sekumele utshintshe istyle sokugqoka because of khona abantu abangathandi liwe igqoka ngakhona. Angenzeli abantu ngiphilela mina.
Nami ngiyasiphilela sona. Awusemuhle kanti umuhle so.
Thank you.
Hawu.
Thank you, girl.
Bayadelela laba.
Kakhulu iyadina Shem leyo nto leyo.
Iyacasula.
Iyadina. Ukuthi vele ke mina I'm used to it. Awusinuthola nabo baba I don't care. Kuphela nina mos. It's not like kuphela mina. Abo baba bami ekugcineni bahamba nami awungeni ndawo uzosebenza ukukhuluma nje.
Lento le like sidwele la eresne.
Ngijwayele nto ngeke ngishintshe indlela yami yokugqoka for ukuthi ngijabulise nina. Angeke ngipruvele leli point.
Isicebe engizosifaka until ecebeni lami. Uzophumula khona sizophumula ecebeni lami isicebe.
Angeke ngize ngishintshe indlela yokugqoka for abantu. Lewe ngiphila ngakhona for abantu.
Bakwenzelani laba bantu?
Baqala nokungazi manje ku social media sekumele ngishintshele bona.
Bakwenzelani? Umuntu wakhona angeke akuniki imali athi hamba uyothenga le mpahla afuna uyiqoke kodwa
Uthabela akakuphakela even ukukuphakela. Awazi ukuthi ngikhule ngaka ngikhule ngidla ini. Uzongitshela ukuthi ngishintshele wena manje. Why bayithengisa ishort if abafuna ukuthi siyiqoke? Abangayithengisi ke. Mabayiyeke ukuyenza abangayithengisi.
like basithengisela nama crop top na lady phase benza basithengisela if abafuna sisifake.
Naye loyo girl mos yena uFenes uyazigqoka into ezimfishane ugqokeni kuleya two piece lo gogo lo. Yini into ayigqokile because ugqoka i-shirt ne-short.
It's always abogogo abandelela ingane. Bayabona ukuthi sisase fresh.
And most of them ilaba abanganabantwana. Kubuyazala intanga zakhe zinabantwana. Uzobhizizo ufuna ukuduma ngabanye abantwana ufuna ifame. Iyanyanyisa Shem leyo nto le iyadina kamampela iyanyanyisa.
Iyakwatisa.
Iyanyanyisa.
Kabanga uyavuka ama message ku WhatsApp. You are trending on Twitter. Umangalo ukuthi
Ibhlungu kanjani leyo nto leyo? Ibhlungu kanjani?
ukuthi eTwitter ifike kanjani? Ifike
Omunye umuntu angeke understand vele mayengakazi yenze kuwe but the day ithi ayenzeke uzobona you will react fast. Futhi uma umuntu ongajwayelanga uzoreact fast.
Yo.
Yena kodwa kusalayo. When time goes on she will pay for it.
Yo.
She will pay for it.
Ngimnika uNkulunkulu ngokwamanje yazi.
wesi Twitter into zaku-Twitter zitrenda kanje Twitter
nakhona
yo
Twitter ngazathi ipromoter
Yes.
ipromoter
into ezirong
ufuna
into ezirong kuphela I don't mind ivideo angayiposta but don't caption ivideo yami
aw
ngicaptiona kanjani ivideo yami because minute uyiposta it's either uyayithanda or yinhle minute ufaka icaption yakho shuthi unenkinga nami mos unenkinga mara ukazi uzungitshela unenkinga nami
yo
unenkinga you can't be an influencer mara ucindezela abanye abantu phela kuze uzube influencer abantu abakwenza ukuthi uzube influencer you can't follow yourself yonke into yenza include abantu yonke into yenza include abantu nanoma ungayenza ama vlog mail viwe yithi kumele sikukhuphukisa ama followers akho
yini mele ni
like
like
ukhuphuke without abantu
yini mele ni like yini mele ni comment
how wena still ucompress abantu ufuna ukubawisa ufuna ukukhuphuka abanye abantwana bawe angeke suthi thina ivideo sayithanda senangayicaptiona yena ngendlela ayicaptiona ngayo ngomona wakhe mara thina ivideo sayithanda and ama outfits asichazile yena sekukuye ke ukuthi
ufuna email validation pick me ufuna ukuthi akhethwe manje amadoda ukuthi woo
hawe yabo uyazibonakalisa ngithi uyathengisa that's why I saw uyazibonakalisa ukuthi uyathengisa mdala nje full into ayenza mdala mina ngiyasho ukuthi ngikhuluma like ngomuntu omncane maybe my age aboma 19 lapho umuntu omdala kanje
umdala ufairness
umdala maybe ufake nane implant esandleni umdala nje
umdala nje i90s
yanyanyisa nje lento ukuthi kumele uzo explainele social media
yonke kuyaphonda ukuthi ngifuna ukukhala yo yeah
it's painful vele it's very painful ibhlungu leyo nto leyo cause futhi omunye umuntu angeke aza understand uzobona ngazathi uRithabile unedrama ivideo right
and what understand
hamba ku-Twitter into ethande ku-Twitter hayi yazi ukuthi manje mase itrenda ku-Twitter hayi sekunzima
ziyakhala Twitter ipromoter effects like ipromoter nudity ipromoter
yeah
kanti porn ko Twitter
yeah
yo
phela into mayithendile ku-Twitter ayisuke ithonde kamampela
yo
hayi shuthi hayi lapho uyatrenda lapho utrenda kamampela serious
and ngicela ukuthi abantu bayayishare manje from uSam angisho uye wayaqala eTwitter etrendisa bayayishare manje abantu bayayishare yo
abakwaziyo bayokumenshina that's the boring part about people
yo
niyibona into yami ukuthi iyatrenda and the caption is bad but ube nesibindi sokungitheka why tagging me why ufuna ukuthi ngiyibone leyo nto leyo ngiyiboneleni
I'm dealing with the pressure and I'm avoiding it when
uzongitheka ungithekelani ngiyiboneleni
yo
ngiyiboneleni uSam naye kanabo abantwana I guess
guys hamba nomtheka Sam_x.t ku Twitter
ungathini umuntu wakhe yena lo ufairness insimbi zakhe it's wrong lento ayenzayo very wrong iyanyanyisa nje yadina uyi-influencer mara wenza into ezisnacks you can't be an influencer usi-influencer ukuthi sifane nawe
niposta abanye amantombazane
sidelelane ngamantombazane
amantombazane kumele sisapotane as amantombazane
mara instead the hatred esemantombazaneni
ngithola nala eres
the way ires angiyifuni kabi angaze ngiye but then angiziboni njenge-res angiziboni
ngithola from mostly amantombazane ungene eliftini umuntu athi
angazi ukubhekelani kabi Rithabile warekisa bathanda kabi ya bathengisayo nimbona nje phela uyathengisa
ufake isicephu akubuza athi awukodoli akisho izibokotola bozogqoka
bozogcoka ibruko mos ngaphuma endlini ufake isicefu nikodola amantombazana hayi asithandani shem
amantombazane asithandani
asithandani
it's so sad
yanyanyisa
yo
bese ba-expect ukuthandwa abafana ungayithande intombazane ubani uzokuthanda
how and bona bacabanga ukuthi mabenza lento yabo ibangazathi ba-right and no it says a lot about you
sisazozigqoka icephe obona isifebe sithenge
nami ngisho kanje
sisazozigqoka
ngibatshela la iRes ngithi mina obona isifebe akathenge abone ukuthi
akathengeka ke sisazozigqoka shonga ukuthi nisheshe nikhathaleni bancane injova amadepho sisazozigqoka
umuntu wakhona uqala ukuhave sex asese-high school
asasena 12 wamitha na-14 igcebhana lesizidobhiswa abantu i-social media iyakhontrola too much
manje ukuthi basothambile mase thina basiyazi izinto manje sebazosi-attack-a
siphelile isikhathi sakhe uFairness akayeke manje isikhathi sethu manje sakhe dala saphela esakhe
wena
siphelile
usithuzela ukuthi uzosebenzisa usasemncane thina siyeke-ke sisebenzisa sebadala-ke thina ubonisa ukuthi sikhuliswe kahle imizimba yethu isame-right
isame kabi so masigcoka icephe inkinga ngoba usifebe asithenge shem
akasithenge
sithenge abe right
and abona ukuthi leso sifebe sizovuma ukuthi asithenge na
asithenge cause you can't call me isifebe awukazi ulale nami you don't know me why mele ngishintshele wena into yokugqoka like why mele ngishintshele wena yini kanti lengako nayo wena emele izishintshelwe wena
and banjalo-ke nala iRes and futhi abafana bakhona ma ungabaphika nje vele umuntu akutshela athi vele awukho muhle wenziwa ileyo body hhayi ukuthi umuhle ngithi
right okusalayo khona into enhle anginandaba
hawu
anginandaba okwakho
uyambuka akasizwe ngisho nebody ayimsizi akasizwe ayi-next
asinayi-type okuwesi okwakho ukuthi ngisizwa ibody okwakhona ongasizwa nayo ibody-ke ngingcono mina iyangisiza khona engamsizi so ngi-right ngebody yami
athi ba-attack ngiyakumbone ngihleka ngenye intombazane ifake isicephe ibody yakhe injanja angibahleki angibody shame enye intombazane kodwa de weyibone basi-body shame angakhona phela le nto bayenze i-body shaming
body shaming vele
body shaming bayasi-body
shaming
how
you can't say ngingafaki isicephe for ini because when I don't like you or wena sikufanele okwakho umuntu nomuntu unento emfanelayo
Tommy why ngithanda because of i-caption usem udecide ukuthi abale ukuthi having a daughter is a curse what is this on my video epostwe yini intombazane
wayangasho kahle ukuthi my daughters akasho abantwana bakhe amakhesi abakhe abantwana amakhesi waze lapho ukuthi abantwana bamantombazane amakhesi ubone ngalaba bakhe
ufuna ukuthini ngoma wakhe yena
cause it's not like uzalwa umfana mos
ngicela uNonjabu ngicela umfunele i-handle yakhe uFairness loyo because lento ayenzile ayikho right Fairness
okay i-trendile i-video ke ugaineni ama-comment aphume ebantwini singabantu siyayijabulela vele into embi sikhomenta kabi uma isaqeda ukuduma mara ipha 1 month futhi 1 month iningi 2 weeks so bese bazobe sebaphumile lapho
bazobe bese bakhohliwe
hayi i-challenge engadluli
how
yonke i-challenge yadlula hayi into engadluli hayi into ayigenile kamampela ayikho ama-comment abantu abangakwazi ucabanga ukuthi azokuwisa hayi ngeke ngise into ezikhulunywa abantu nabo baneyinkinga zabo kwayena lo Sam uneyinkinga zakhe azaqala ukulontuza ukubody shame amantombazana waposta ngento ezimbi uyazi ukuthi ufilani yena
basho bayamrejecta loyo i-rejection
akana girlfriend uthenga bona bo Fairness laba yizi amayiwa ama-girlfriend akhe
uzothola ukuthi wenza izinto ezimbi just like bona abazibhekile
there's something yabo behind this all iyo big kunento khona la there's something. Ufairness and uyayazi.
Uyazi kahle.
Angeke ukuthi uqeda upost ivideo ku Facebook but delete. Seyithenda ku TikTok. Kulo ku Twitter.
Twitter. After ngithi I delete few hours later. Basendela ilink bathi nanti niyavela ku Twitter niyatrenda. Like few hours after ngimtshela ukuthi I delete. Iyavela ngahle.
She's not a girl maybe.
And into iqosolo ukuthi I vele as screen record ukuthi iphuma eFacebook. Ivela like exactly the way I beke ngakhona eFacebook. Nale
So manje uchaza ukuthi khona umuntu ongasave ivideo ayisave ku Facebook ayisaveki ivideo ku
Let's be
Facebook.
honest, I save
Unless you screen record ayisaveki ivideo ku Facebook. That's why you see she knows something.
and ayibonakala ukuthi ikhopilwe. Lo girl umsendelile.
My copy wena Rethabile kumele izume kubona ukuthi nanethombe kuvela black cause ukropile. Kuvela black.
Wabona exactly the way I posting ngakhona eFacebook. Ivela exactly kanjalo. Nase
Relax. Usazobabulala umona usazobabulala. And iqephu anyeke ziphele.
guys ngineqephe eziningi. Ngigqoka iqephe every day.
Anyeke.
Every day.
Awume kahle Rethabile ume kahle. Mawumuhle angidingi ukuthi ngizongikhompa as long ngizitshelile ukuthi ngimuhle ngime kahle ngiright. Eyakhe compliment anyeke izingenzele next so uya eda phezulu kwawami.
So
Uya-add.
safuna
Ya eda. Ukuthanda nje ukubukwa. That's the problem.
Ukuthi influencer kodwa into eyenzayo.
Sifuna ukuduma wonke umuntu phela manje ufuna ukuduma. Nokubona abantu ba live akudle wonke umuntu okuma comment ukuthi for ini anyeke azakutshela.
And ama comment esuka right. Nami abantu bayazi ukuthi angibatheka kuma comment. Hlezi ba comment sihleke si right, niba treat right cause umuntu ngomuntu ngabantu.
Ngiyabambela.
Some people laba lokho uba atheka kuma comment yibo
Yibo
babazoku-unfollow
bakukhulisayo, yibo abakwenza ukuthi ube well known.
and yibo bazoku-unfollow mase ubadelela manje. Bazoku-unfollow.
Bese mase bakubhena babhena ama account wakho kube ngazathi maybe umdumisa kabi.
Ibe ngazathi awuprofile. Manje ibahamba la bayomreporta eFacebook account yakho uzothi.
Cabanga wena ke so post ithombe zakho wenza ngeAI. Kuzobe ngazathi wena wrong because abantu baku TikTok abayibonanga ku Twitter.
Abayibonanga ku Twitter. Cabanga
Abayibonanga ku Twitter.
Ngiscrolla nje. Handle hike sam_x.t.
Tanda kitatu amanje.
Lina ke
Sengizwe umntanakhe. Ngoba kana baba shem lapho.
akana baba shikho.
Anantate mo.
Kodwa futhi ukuthi ubaba wakho uyakhona ukungena ku social media afune amantombazana amancane.
Kwa girlfriend kwalo jola naye isono shem. Isono.
Ngifisa ukubona igirlfriend akunyamzwela.
Ayisono.
Hayi ngiyamzwela. And manje makuba abantu banormalize istyle sakudala. Guys manje makuya group ufaka ama heel, ufaka icebe, you look sexy. Egroup kulu kwa sexy. Yakuhambele we group umbashile ufaka ijini. Wenzani ngejini egroup?
Uhleli umile khoneni umamela ingoma uyacula uncekile ngemali yami. You don't tell me that. How khona khala ungitshela leyo nto. Hawu leyo ungitshela leyo nto. Ngemali yami ngisithengela mina ngitshela ukuthi ngingaqoki ini. Ngiyangemali yami. Ngiyangemali yami la ngiyakhona.
Ujayiva
Ukuthi
ngomzimba
banalo
wakho.
mentality ukuthi intombazane ikwazi ukuzithengela utshwala emjayiveni bayithengelwa abafana. Sifani phela sonke hayi ukuthi sonke siyaphuzana.
And okungana abafana etafuleni yethu bebangekho.
Le kwabonalo kaona bashimani mo. Kaona bashimani mo.
Akuna bashimani.
Awufela umuntu ujive yasa inbuch. Kanti mele singayijive ke. Singayijive.
Wena mova yethu uyangithuka ungangithuki la. Uthi wena mova. Hayi umova Movite uyaqasula Shem. Hayi.
Sibuni.
Sibuni yathukana wena Movite. Is that uyabona la kuphuma amakaka khona le mbhobho leyo i-butthole. Usibuni.
Kanti Sibuni he amasutha asithuka mos. Wabahlala bathi Sibuni santsha nje mina ngithi mhlawumbe bathi ibuni zakho.
Like this
Amasuka.
kimarahu mabathi isibunu ile butthole la kuphuma amakaka khona.
Hayi Shem. Ngizangisaba. Ngizwa nje ngiwasaba amasuthu manje. Hayi ngizwa ngiwasaba.
No, bam kimarahu. The butthole yona isibunu.
Abasithuka-ke.
Bongazi.
Ngazi ukuthi Sibuni sahawu yibunu. Ngazi ukuthi yibunu. Kanti bayasiqeda ngenhlamba.
Suka kuqedile kahle.
Bayasiqeda nje ngenhlamba.
Yo. Anyways, guys,
Mara you need to report that
Ngiyabonga.
account. Yazi na ku-Facebook Ritshabile you can report the account.
Yakhona ngiyoyi-report.
You need to report it.
Yo ngiyabonga yazi wayenza ukuthi ngiphole emoyeni ngiyabonga Shem.
Mele sipholisaneni. We are all girls, Shem. You
Yeah,
need to support each other.
Bye guys, suka nginibona ithi ngiyodila no-Fairness.
Just report your account to Shem. I think now uzobe so right ke uzibone ukuthi yeah, at least I did something.
I fought.
You
Yeah.
did something. Okay, bye girl.
Bye. Bye guys.